In today's video, I'm making a 4-ingredient cake. Come along with me and let me show you how I put this one together. First, I want to show you the pan I'm using. I'm using an 8x8 pan. I'm going to give that a spray and then let's get started. This would be a dump cake, and I had a comment. Somebody said they would never make anything that was a dump anything. And I get that. I was with you as well until I tried one. But let me tell you what, this comes together and you don't even know that it was dumped like the way I'm going to show you. I hope you'll give it a try if you've never tried one of these because it is worth it. It's quick, it's a time saver. I should have cut this before I put it in. I'm not going to scratch the pan. I'm just going to pick up a couple of them and give them a little bit of a slice. I don't want great big chunks. If a couple get through, that's fine. The beauty of this dessert is how quick it comes together. I think just the little bit of time you have to spend working to put it together, it can be in the oven for a while, but that way you're freed up to do whatever it is you need to do. Cook, do laundry, whatever. This cake will be in the oven just working away, and it's so delicious. After I get the cake mix put in, I am going to go ahead and spread that out evenly all over the top. I am also going to, if you watch how I'm doing this, and I did speed this up a little because this would be boring if I didn't, but I am pushing it into the juice of the pie filling. It just makes me feel like you're not going to get a chunk of powder when you take a bite, and maybe you don't, but I like the idea of the cake mix being mixed in, not totally mixed, but a little bit, and you can see how it's coming through right now. You can kind of tell how it's absorbed it. I'm going to take the butter and I'm going to cut the tiniest of slices and try to make this butter go all the way across, fill in the entire pan with one stick of butter. If I didn't have enough, I would grab more butter out of the refrigerator because it's that important that each piece gets covered. Somebody had made a comment also that they didn't like it when I would speed the video up, but can you imagine how boring it would be if I didn't do that? That's what I'm thinking about you guys, that's all. That looks perfect, just like that. The entire cake, I was able to do it with the entire cake. Now I'm going to grab those caramel bits, and I am loving working with these. I just happen to have this little bit left over. Perfect amount to finish this cake off with. I'm going to sprinkle these all over the top, and I'm going to get ready to put this in the oven. With the caramel on top, I don't really feel it needs frosting, but you definitely could put a layer of frosting on if you like it that way. That looks good. Now I'm going to put it in the oven. Here it is baking, and now it is done. Look at all the caramel bits all over the top of that. This is going to be delicious. I'm going to let it sit here and cool. This looks so good, and it's still a little bit warm. You can see how it's holding together really well. This would be perfect with ice cream or really just by itself. Just kind of want to show you the way it looks on the inside. You can see the bottom there is pretty well held together because the cake made its way down there a little bit. And it's just gooey and delicious. If you enjoyed this video and you haven't subscribed, I really hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. And I want to thank you so much for watching today.